YouTuber user Luna Angel didn't know what her parakeet, Pai Chan, would do when she placed a quail egg that she had purchased at the grocery store inside of her bird's cage. Very quickly, however, she discovered something special about her bird. She possessed quite the maternal instinct. Pai Chan immediately sat on the egg, even though it was obvious that it wasn't her own. That wasn't the only surprise, however. Since most eggs purchased at the grocery store are not fertilized, Luna was shocked when the egg actually hatched. Understandably, Luna couldn't believe what she was seeing. It was a real, and totally adorable, baby quail. Luna wasn't sure what to do next. Sure, she was experienced with caring for birds, but she'd never raised a baby quail before. That said, Luna wasn't about to give up and break poor Pai Chan's heart. So she got to work learning everything there was to learn about how to care for a newborn quail. She was certainly ready for the challenge. Quails like this one usually live only 3 to 5 years in the wild. However, with the appropriate care and living a relatively stress-free domesticated life, a pet quail is able to live up to 10 whole years. That's a long time. Unlike other birds, quails are born pretty much ready to chase after their parents and begin eating whatever they can find. This made Luna's job just a little easier than it would have been otherwise. Look at this adorable ball of fluff. Can you imagine if someone besides Luna had purchased this particular batch of quail eggs? That would be a story with a very different kind of ending. Thank goodness Luna found him. Luna found caring for this baby quail to be a lot less stressful than she anticipated. After only a couple of days, the tiny chick began to flourish and both Pai Chan and Luna were over the moon to welcome the new addition to their home. Fun fact, the sounds quails make are nothing like the calls of other birds out there. They are much more likely to produce clicking and grunting noises than they are to produce a beautiful song. This made the quail quite the companion for a songbird like Pai Chan.